Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this lecture I am going to start the next topic, that is composite numbers. In previous lectures we have already done that the prime numbers are the numbers which have only two different factors, the number 1 and itself. Now in this topic we are going to start the composite numbers. Composite numbers are actually the opposite of the prime numbers, as prime numbers have only two different factors, 1 and itself. But what is composite number? All other numbers except 1 have 3 or more different factors are called composite numbers. As in the prime numbers, I told you that 1 is not a prime number because 1 have only one factor. But 1 is also not a composite number because according to the definition of composite number, all other numbers except 1 have 3 or more different factors are called composite numbers. So prime numbers have only two different factors, 1 and itself, and composite numbers have 3 or more than 3 different factors are called composite numbers. Composite means made up of several or many different parts. Got it? Let's start the example. In this example we will check different numbers, how those numbers are composite numbers, how you can check the number whether the number is composite or not. In this example I am going to take the number 4, as 1 is not the prime number. 1 is neither the prime number nor the composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number. 3 is also the prime number. So here I am going to check the number 4. What is number 4? When we check whether a number is composite or not, you should know about the factors, because as we are using the word different factors, so in the previous lecture I told you about the factors. Factors are actually the numbers which divides the given number exactly, leaving no remainder. Let's check number 4. Firstly we find the factors of 4. Here we will find the factors. As I told you, you can find the factors by multiplication or by division. Here I will check by multiplication. Like 1 4s are 4. 4 is in the table of 4. 1 4s are 4. 2 2s are 4. And 4 1s are 4. Or by division method, you can also do it by the division method. 4 divided by 1. 1 4s are 4. 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So you can check the division. You can check the factors by multiplication or by division method. Now what are the factors of 4? Factors are actually the divisors. 1, 2 and 4. 1 is dividing completely exactly the 4 with leaving no remainder. 2 is completely dividing the 4 with leaving no remainder. 4 is completely dividing the 4 with leaving no remainder. It means 1, 2 and 4 are the 3 factors of 4. It means 4 is a composite number. 3 or more than 3 different factors. There is a condition different. These factors should be different. So 1, 2 and 4 all are different from each other, and 3 or more than 3 factors. That's why this 4 is a composite number. So what are the factors? 1, 2 and 4. And in multiplication, 1 4s are 4. You can check it by this arrow. downward arrow, and then upward arrow. Here is one more point. I have already told you that when your factors are going to repeat, there is no need to use that factor again and again. Here I am putting this factor just to tell you that if your factors are going to repeat, you will stop over there. Like 1 4s are and 4 1s are, both are same, so no need to repeat it again and again. So we will stop it over here. So our factors are, this downward arrow mean 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 2 is repeating, so leave this, and 4 is the factor. So this 1, 2 and 4 are the factors. So you can check the factors by multiplication or by division. So what are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. So there are 3 factors of 4 satisfying the definition, condition of the definition, and all 3 factors are different. It means 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. Got it? Let's check one more example. We are going to take another number as 5 is a prime number. We will check 6. How 6 is a composite number? Let's check. First I will do it by division. 6 divided by 1. Yes, 6 is completely divisible by 1. 1 6 are 6. 6 is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Factors mean that number should divide the given number exactly with leaving no remainder. So 6 is also divisible by 3. Yes, 3 2s are 6. And 6 is completely divisible by itself. 6 1s are 6. Here I will just use the division method. Okay. Now what are the factors? 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor, 6 is the factor. These all factors are dividing this 6 completely with no remainder, leaving no remainder. So satisfying the condition of factors, it means 6 have 1, 2, 3 and 4 factors. There are 4 factors of 6. Let's do it by multiplication also. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are or 3 2s are, both are same, so I will not repeat it again and again. And 1 6 are and 6 1s are is also same, that is also repeating, so I will not repeat the factors again and again. 1 6 are or 6 1s are, 2 3s are or 3 2s are, these factors will repeat over here, so I will not repeat it again and again. So we will stop it over here and we will check the factors by downward arrow, this one and then this one. It means what are the factors? 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor and 6 is the factor. So 4 factors. Factors of 6. Factors of 6 are 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor and number itself is the factor. It means there are 4 factors satisfying the condition of the definition, and all the factors are different from each other. It means 6 is a composite number. 6 is composite number. Clear? Very easy and very simple. Just you have to find out the factors of the given number. Let's check one more number. I am going to take the number, for example, 12. Let's check the number 12. 12 by division. 12 divided by 1. Yes, 1 12s are 12. 12 divided by 2. Yes, 2 6 are 12. 12 divided by 3. Yes, 3 is completely dividing 12. 3 4s are 12. Now from here factors are going to repeat, because let's check. 12 4s are 12 is also divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. And 12 divided by 12. 12 1s are 12. Now these all are the factors. How? Let's check. This 1 is completely dividing the 12. 2 is completely dividing 3, 4, 6 and 12. These all factors are dividing this given number 12 completely without leaving any remainder. That's why there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 factors of 12. More than 3 different factors, and all the factors are different from each other. It means this 12 is a composite number. So what are the factors of 12? Let's check it by multiplication also. 12 ones are or 1 12s are. Both are same. 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. From here factors are going to repeat, so I will not repeat the factors. 12 ones are or 1 12s are. 2 6 are, 6 2s are. 3 4s are or 4 3s are. So what are the factors? You can use the arrows. These all are the factors of 12. These all are the factors of 12. 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor, 4 is the factor, 6 is the factor and 12 is the factor. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors of 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These all are the factors of 12 and all the factors are different from each other. It means 12 is composite. 12 is composite number. 12 is a composite number. Got it? So this is all about the composite numbers. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will again continue the same topic, composite number, with some different examples and with the comparison of the prime numbers as well. So do practice for the composite numbers. Check the different numbers, find out the factors of those numbers, and according to definition check the condition. What is the condition? More than 3 factors, 3 or more than 3 factors, and those factors should be different. I hope so you have learned the lecture. Practice these type of the examples for the composite number, and inshallah next lecture we will start the topic comparison of the prime and composite number. So you have to practice for the prime and composite as well. Thank you.